Hey guys, this is the Dark Heart, and today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make a logo. So first of all, you need a piece of paper and Adobe Software Illustrator. And so your drawing doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Just draw whatever you can, and then if there is anything to fix, we will do it in Illustrator. So here it is, the drawing is done and it looks like a piece of shit. Yeah. Okay, that felt good. So now you need to do is open up Illustrator and find open up the pic you just took. Yeah. So now go to the file, new, and make a new page. Choose whatever size you want and now drag and drop the pic on the new page we just created and then adjust its size. Now we have to do is lock its layer. Go on layer tabs over here and just create a new layer and lock the first layer, which is our original pic. Now go to the pen tool and just start drawing. If you don't know how a pen tool works, so you can go on internet and find tons of videos on how it works. So just click here, then click over there, press alt and click on it again so it doesn't interrupt with our selection. So makes a whole selection around it. You can drag for it to curve anything, and we will do this for the whole thing. And now we will hide the layer and see that our skull's outline has been made. So now we do is make the eyes and the nose. So for the eyes I will use these ellipse tool or circle tool or whatever. So go in, make a circle, and then we will adjust it with the black arrow. Now then the circle is made, so we need to adjust it and make it look like that it's an eye. So go on the arrow tool and clicks on the one of its points of circle, and when you click on it you will see a line and you can drag it to adjust its curves and make a curve look like a little bit angry, so we will do that. And we don't need to make an other eye, it's a little work, so we will just select it, the skull, and control plus C to copy it, and then we will place it here and right click on it and go to select, go to reflect. You will go to click on the reflect and you will see that it's you can reflect it whether horizontal or vertical. Vertical is selected, 90 degree is the angle, and click OK. So here we have a skull. I will do the same thing for the nose and just make a circle and and here we go. We have a nose. So we are almost done, but we still need to make these things. Yeah, so I will do on the Eclipse tool again. Click on it, hold it, and you will see a rectangle tool. Click on it and drag and drop and make a rectangle. And yeah, a little, yeah, you can do the same thing that we did with the eyes on the rectangle, and make it and adjust its size and everything as you want. So I will do it here little bit maybe. Now you can make your own adjustments in it, select the arrow tool and make whatever adjustments you want, and I will do that. Now we will change the background color a little bit, because skull is white and background color, it doesn't really match. So we will make the eyes hollow, so when we change the background color, the eyes change with it. So we have to do is find Pathfinder. Go to Windows and find Pathfinder. Yeah, click on it, and you see there are a couple of options in there. You can save it here, and you will see this little thingy, and select your eyes and your skull and go on there and click on it, and you will see that it automatically deleted that eye parts. It's normal. It's combined the two shapes and it deleted them within it. Pretty easy. Same thing you can do for the nose, and it's done. I don't really like the background color, so I will change it to black. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. Now you can make your custom changes in it. So I will write my text and make a little bit shapes and stuff. Now I will make some more changes in it, a little bit adjustments and stuff, so it looks a little bit too simple. So let's make some shapes and put it in there, and yeah, after that it's done, and here's the final logo.